So hello guys, welcome to benzblogs. So for today's video we have here generators, and I will show you how to be done our load testing and commissioning from here. So now I'm going to show you. So now we are now preparing for our fuel. So now they are connecting. By the way, I am the one who connected the fuel for that, and the rest of the guys also are doing the finalizing of the other generator, which is already done, and also it is already tested. So for now, while I am connecting the fuel, so this one also is already finished our configuration, so we're just only prepare for the fuel, and after that we're going to start this generator, and we're going to have adjustment for our voltage. So as you can see, we have here we need to to start for 3 times attempt, and then after that it will run, and then we need to adjust the proper voltage for what is the customers needed for this. So as you can see, now it is coming to startup, and now I am start also adjusting the voltage. So now it's ready. Now we have the breaker, and now he is putting the load for 100% load. So it is perfectly done correctly, the tests. So we are also reviewing the rest of the parameters for this, so we knows if it is working all the sensors and the status of the alternator, the status of the engines, if it is working correctly. By the way, it is not fully seen because of the sun is focused, and generator, by the way, it is now it's having overload, but it's okay, so meaning it is working our predictions. So we started back and put the load at 100%, and see, it is working fine. So we are reapplying the load for checking those parameters. By the way, this one is I like little bit forwarded this video because it is too long, but so it will make it a little bit shorter for you. So it is done. Then we're going to do the finalizing, and after that I'm also go to the other of the generator to prepare for the rest of it. So by the way, this one is a 500 kVA set of a generator, and this one is 5 pieces, 4 pieces I think for this we have. So here it comes. He is doing the cover for our breaker, while I am removing also the fuel, so I can install to the other set of our generator. So this is so busy days. So now I am connecting the battery, and the rest of it is also preparing for the load bank connections, and I am doing also my part. See, I am removing the cover so I can also adjust those AVR once it is running. So I was also connected for the other generator, so I can, or we can, finish this tested this job to be tested. So by the way, sorry for that, I'm in hurry at that point. I forgot to use my proper PPA, but as well as just be careful of doing your job as well as you know, and always remind yourself that to be aware of the safety. So now we are also start to crank this generator, so just checking those wiring if in case there is some fault or there is some missing. So since this one is open type, I'll just close the emergency stop. So again, it is 3 times attempt and then it will start. Then same as the process, we're going to adjust the voltage accordingly. As you can see, I will directly adjust the potentiometer for our voltage so we can reach to the correct amount of the voltage. And after that, we are checking if it is correct. And now go on the breaker and ready to put the load. So it's very difficult to focus the camera due to the high the light or the sunlight is blocking the focus of my camera. So it's having now around 90%. You cannot see also, yeah, it's 90%. It is stopped at 100%. Though it is configured as a standby applications also, so it can be applicable for the applications where the standby applications is necessary or it is needed. So that is done. Now also I am removing the rest of it, and I will also put it to the last of our generator so we can also start off this generator. So he is finalizing and I am also removing my part so I can do the rest of it. So as you can see, we are so busy at this point while doing this job. So it is forwarded so we can. So now we are going to start again the last one and making a preparations for the starting. It is normal to make it 3 times attempt so it can circulate the oil. And again, so I think it is going to start. Yeah, same as process, we need to adjust the voltage. Yeah, it is done. So they're checking it, and then after that we're going to on the breaker, and same as usual we're going to put the load. So as you can see, engine is changing because of that. Load also is changing, so it is increasing. So you can see the turbo is more sounds than the previous without load. So now it's around 100%. Yeah. So once you are done for putting the 100% to load, and then you have to check those parameters if it is working properly. That is very necessary, and also make sure to visualize all of the functions and the wiring of it, and the temperatures, the oil pressures of your engine, so you can 100% it is working. So as you can see, it is only like it is very fast because I've just cut those time, so I can redirectly to our time we need to cut to. So now I am also finalizing of it, while the other guys is also doing his job to do the rest of the finalizations. So after this we're going to give to the warehouse for the preparations and for the cleaning up, and I think this one is having a canopy as well, so they will put it back inside and doing the canopy after these tests.